ਅਗਾਂਹ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਨਿਊਯਾਰਕ ਲੈ ਚੱਲਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਜਿੱਥੇ ਕੁਈਨਜ਼ ਦੀ ਕੌਂਸਲ ਵੂਮਨ ਐਡਰਿਨ ਐਡਮ ਦੇ ਹੋਰ ਕੁਝ ਕੌਂਸਲ ਮੈਂਬਰਾਂ ਦੇ ਸਹਿਯੋਗ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਕੁਝ ਸਟਰੀਟਸ ਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਬਦਲ ਕੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਸਿੱਖਾਂ ਅਤੇ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਭਾਈਚਾਰੇ ਦੇ ਨਾਮ 'ਤੇ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ, ਜਿਸ 'ਚ ਇੱਕ ਗੁਰਦੁਆਰਾ ਸਟਰੀਟ ਅਤੇ ਇੱਕ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਰੋਡ ਵੀ ਸ਼ਾਮਲ ਨੇ। ਸੋ ਇਸ ਪੂਰੇ ਕੈਂਪੇਨ ਦਾ ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਅੰਜਾਮ ਪਹੁੰਚਿਆ ਹੈ, ਇਸ ਬਾਰੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਸਹਿਯੋਗੀ ਗੁਰਿੰਦਰ ਸਿੰਘ ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਗੱਲ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ।
ਸੋ ਅੱਜ ਅਸੀਂ ਮਿਸ ਐਡਰਿਨ ਐਡਮਸ ਦੇ ਆਫਿਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਏ ਹਾਂ, ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੇ ਕਿ ਨਿਊਯਾਰਕ ਸਿਟੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਰਿਚਮੰਡ ਹਿੱਲ ਦੀਆਂ 2 ਸਟਰੀਟਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਨਾਮ ਦੇਣ ਦੇ ਲਈ ਮਤਾ ਪੇਸ਼ ਕੀਤਾ ਅਤੇ ਸਾਰੀ ਮਿਹਨਤ ਕੀਤੀ। ਭਾਵੇਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੇ ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਵੀ ਆਪਣੇ ਨਾਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਸਟਰੀਟਾਂ ਹੋਣ ਦੇ ਦਾਅਵੇ ਕੀਤੇ, ਪਰੰਤੂ ਸਾਰੇ ਦਾਅਵੇ ਨਕਲੀ ਸਨ। ਅਸਲ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੁਣ ਸਟਰੀਟਾਂ ਦੇ ਨੇਮ ਚੇਂਜ ਹੋ ਰਹੇ ਹਨ। ਸੋ ਮਿਸ ਐਡਰਿਨ ਐਡਮਸ, how it comes to your mind that you should change the name of 2 streets to the Punjabi names?
First of all, thank you so much for having me on today. Thank you for this interview. It's really, really important that we talk. And it's my pleasure to be with you today. You know, when I was first elected to become the council member for District 28, I promised my constituents that we would unify as a community, something that we haven't really seen a whole lot of in the history of District 28. But that was my commitment to the community, particularly the community in Richmond Hill, my Hindu community, my Punjab community, my Sikh community. I promised that I would do my best as your council member to unify us so that the community members would not feel isolated. And this was very important for me to get done. I had some help with a friend by the name of Harpreet Singh, who brought the issue to my mind once again, and together we collaborated and moved forward with it in the city council.
When you start this thing, and how long it will take, like the actual street names to be changed, when you think this will be posted on the streets?
Great question. Well, you know, the legislation just came forth last month, so we legislated it. The New York City Council approved my bill to make this happen, and we're looking forward to having the official celebration and ceremony and renaming this spring. We hope anytime between April, May, and June.
So is there any hurdles to doing this?
There are no hurdles at all, and that's the good news, because all the hurdles that had to be overcome, we've already overcome them to make this happen, because it was so very important. So whatever any obstacles might have been, we've already jumped through those hurdles and taken care of everything. The bill is passed. It is a done deal, and we're looking forward to celebrating it now.
Is there any other special things, special moves you're going to take in favor of community?
Well, again, my main concern is to make sure that our community remains engaged and unified, and that no one feels left out of the process at all. So I'm going to continue to do my best as the council member for District 28, the most diverse district in New York City, by the way. I'm going to do my best to make sure that my constituents feel included, that immigration issues as they arrive are taken care of expeditiously, and they are prioritized by my office.
Many times there's a big issue coming that overcrowded schools and level of education going down. Is there you're trying to help administration to find a solution for this?
I certainly am. Education is my #1 priority for this district, and we know that we still aren't receiving equitable resources the way that other communities are. This is something that's been going on for a very long time, so it's going to take us a while to ramp up. It's going to take us a while to try to get equity in our schools the way that we deserve. But the good thing is that now District 28 finally has an advocate, myself, who is a former educator and has education at the very top of my priority list. Under my leadership for the past 2 years, we have received in our schools in District 28 exponential amount of funding that is unprecedented in this district. So I have actually been the conduit for millions of dollars coming into our schools. That only looks to get better as we continue to realize the priorities for our children in our district schools in District 28. We will continue to do better and better by our schools.
As she said, she's gonna keep working for community, doing hard work. Now From Queens, New York, Gurinder Roti for PTC News.